The other thing you may have noticed is that encoders here just went from yellow to red. So red means mic pre, gain. If I go back up to layer A and tap the kick drum, you'll see that all the encoders went to yellow. Yellow is digital trim. And in digital trim, now all these boxes are empty. I have plus or minus 24 dB to play with if I lock down my mic pre's and I live in digital trim. That could be useful in multi-console scenarios where you've got front of house monitors, front of house broadcast monitors. You know, one console is going to set the gains, lock them down, and if everybody else needs to compensate for the obnoxious keyboard player that cranked himself 18 dB for his solo, they can all handle it separately, right? Because that happens. If you haven't noticed, it's tap and turn the numeric value, and you can use the BFK, the big fat knob, to change things. So there will be other ways of adjusting things on different screens. One of the other empty boxes, which we don't have a means of populating for you, would accommodate your Sennheiser or Shure Wireless. So I think the E3 and the higher versions of Sennheiser Wireless, when it comes to Shure, it's Axient Digital, QLXD, and ULXD, can all have their batteries and RF strength displayed for you in bank view. Do you guys use wireless?
Yeah, we have ULXD.
Are you seeing it in the console?
No.
We can help you set that up. I mean, especially just for the battery strength, right? That's killer.
But I have another menu where we had Sennheisers connected to it. You could see the Sennheiser battery life.
Yep, it's a wonderful thing. Are you riding your audio in by way of, from the wireless? Is it coming in by Dante, or you plug it into XLRs?
Dante.
Okay, so very common in corporate and institutional installations. Touring people, no way. Because the mic preamplification circuitry in that handheld or body pack is not the same preamp that you're going to find in front of our DACs. But you're mainly spoken word. All right, so probably anybody that matters would never hear a difference. So in this area is where we would access control and channel programming of your Sennheiser. Also, small feature from within this, if I tapped on that, I could blow into another screen, which would allow me to attenuate the receiver from the console if you want. So that data from the Shure and Sennheiser stuff can ride on the Dante wire. You basically just need to activate it. Or you can go LAN port to LAN port and do it that way if you're not using Dante or you just want to use a separate wire.